Hey babes, today I'm going to show you guys how I achieved these icicle nails. My client came in with a picture and I didn't achieve the exact look that she was going for, but they did look like icicles and we were both very happy with how it came out. And I'll show you in just a moment how they look. Yep, there they go. You can barely see, I'm sorry about the view. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think. Make sure you check out all my other previous videos and stay tuned for future videos. So I start off by taking a thin layer of clear acrylic and placing it at the tips, and I give it a moment to set, so I'm doing 2 fingers at a time. So basically, once the acrylic starts to go matte, I take a piece of aluminum foil that I've balled up and I press it into the acrylic to create ridges in the acrylic before it completely sets. And I just went back in and dabbed it a little bit more just to create more ridges and more definition. So then I took a very wet bead of, I think it was milky white, and I just kind of dabbed it over and swiped it over the ridges. I didn't want it to be too opaque. I just wanted the white to fall into the creases or crevices. And this is opal chrome powder that I'm rubbing over the ridges. It's from Light Elegance. So another thin bead of clear acrylic, and that's just going to cover the ridges so that when I get ready to do the ombre, it won't catch in the ridges and make it look kind of like, you know, scattered. I want it to be a smooth transition. In the picture she showed me the base was gray, so I did a gray ombre over the icicle design. I wish I had the picture that she showed me so that you guys could do a side-by-side comparison. It looks nothing alike, but I still achieved the icicle look that she wanted, like I said before. And I will say that I've seen a lot of different methods on how to create this icicle look, and the most popular one that I've seen is where you put, I think it's gel underneath the nail, and then you create ridges the same way as I did on top. But to me, in my mind, I would assume that the underneath of the nail would get dirty easily, and I don't think anybody wants to see dirt through their nail. Maybe it's just me. And I'm just going to repeat the process on all nails, and then I'm going to go in with glitter to add more definition to the nail, and then I'm going to encapsulate, and then you can see the finished result. And as far as her bandaged pinky goes, it's damaged and it was still very painful to her, and I didn't feel comfortable with working on it with the amount of damage and pain that she was experiencing, so we just left it out. It's very important to be sure that the natural nail is taken care of no matter what type of enhancement you decide to wear, whether it's regular polish, gel polish, builder gel, acrylic, anything that you put on your nails. Your natural nails need to be healthy in order to actually wear them safely, because it can actually cause more damage to your natural nail. And if your natural nail is not intact, then you won't be able to wear enhancements anyway. So take care of your nails, or make sure your nail tech is taking care of your nails. If he isn't, you need to find a new nail tech. I also want to say, if you're a beginner nail tech and you're not licensed and you haven't went to school and learned anything about nail diseases and nail disorders, I highly recommend that you do that research on your own to make sure that you're not causing any harm or damage to your clients, because they can sue you. And without you having a license, like, that can really be detrimental to your nail career. So make sure you're looking out for your clients and for yourself. And it's not about just being sued. You really just don't want to cause any harm or damage to your clients. And here I'm just going to finish encapsulating the nails, and for the rest of the video I'm just going to let you watch. Thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure you like and subscribe, comment, let me know what you think. Let me know if there's any other videos or anything else that you want to see. And until next time.
You